see another dream. Go to a cinema hall. After 3 hours, what happens? Poof. This also poof. Time also poof. And you are also poof. Please. We hear people telling, be practical. But I don't find anyone practical. A person who is in spiritual, who knows spiritual knowledge, practices spiritual path, is actually a person who is practical. I give this example time and again. If you're told to open a shop in the morning, you say you'll earn 100 crore rupees by the evening at 6 o'clock. Parikshit said you'll earn 100 crores, you can't take anything out. In the evening, Akash will come and take away everything. Will he do this type of business? He'll say, come on, are you crazy? Am I earning for Akash? That's what you do in your lifetime. In the end, Yamraj comes and takes away everything you have made. Your family also. The body which you think is mine, he does not let you take the body also. He said, leave it here. Leave it here. Is that not thinking practically? Is that not practical? I think that is only practical. Rest, everything is living in the world of dreams. Why should I? Am I crazy? I should earn for someone else? And that also the someone else won't keep it. The worst part is this, that if that someone else could also keep it. My grandfather must have earned for his father, but my father could not keep it. My father must have earned for me, but that also I will not be able to keep it. That's why Prabhupada says here, the spiritual guidance is for what? Going back home, back to Godhead. If you are interested for spiritual guidance, then you should be basically very practical. It will make you practical in life. It will make you think about life, which you have never done till now. And you tell me one thing, life is led when life starts when you are young, or when it starts when you become old? Young. When you are old, it ends. It's not starting, it is the... Do you like to see a movie from the beginning or in the end? You don't want to wish you want to go and see the advertisements also. है ना? अरे पूरा पैसा दिया है. I should gobble in everything. So spiritual life also. Otherwise in the end we start thinking, my God, if I had come earlier, known this. I took up spiritual life seriously at the age of 24. At that time I started thinking, oh my God, if I had taken it at 5, in the age of 5, oh, it had been so great. Today I have to wash away everything which I have gathered for the last 19 years. 19 years is not a small time. Just think back. Most of you must be 20 years. Just think back 15 years. How have they gone? That's how fast life goes. That's how fast life goes. And now you want to live 80 years more, 90 years more, 15 years have gone like this. 6 snaps and the life finishes. That is what a person seriously looks into life, studies life. What is all this? Actually, there is no enjoyment. Because for enjoying you have to earn. For earning you have to work. You are a gadha, like a carrot stick. You start, I'll enjoy. I'll do some little more work, I'll enjoy. But that carrot never comes in the mouth. You think you are enjoying. You actually don't enjoy. Enjoy means what? The day you are totally 100% satisfied, that is enjoyment. That's why you will be shocked that I have seen movie from 12 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9, 9 to 12. Just to see that I was not satisfied. I said one one movie a day is not satisfied. See, lagatar, from 12 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9, 9 to 12. Then I tried, during our time, there used to be this Bangladesh war, so they used to have 9 to 12 also show. How many shows per day? 5 shows. Then also I found that there was no satisfaction. I was still not satisfied. So then I said, where is the enjoyment? The first quality of enjoyment is what? Satisfaction. Actually, seeing like this aggravated my dissatisfaction. Instead of giving me satisfaction, it aggravated my dissatisfaction. Prabhupada used to give a very nice example. When you have some skin problem, you itch, you feel great. And then when you itch more, then it becomes a wound. You remember when you got hurt and then that black covering comes, coating comes, and then you feel like scratching and you avoid it, and you feel really like scratching and you scratch it, gone. And if you leave it, it gets healed. It gets healed. That is what material enjoyment is. You scratch, it is again new. Again you suffer. And then again that coating comes after suffering. That means you work like an ass, and that for some day you enjoy, then you, and you finished. How can you? I am telling you because I 24 I had taken up this knowledge. You can't say that 50 years you have had a nice life and now you are telling, like parents tell their children, you should do this. Then you tell them, what do they tell? You tell them, चूहे खा के बिल्ली हज को चली. You have enjoyed your life, now you want me to have restriction? No, I am talking to you where you are today. I started seeing it then, much earlier, actually at the age of 16. 15, 16 I had started thinking of these things. A serious student of life. That's why Prabhupada says, go back home, back to Godhead. Our only purpose is to present this Bhagavad Gita as it is in order to guide the conditioned student to the same purpose for which Krishna descends to this planet once in a day of Brahma, or every, my God, so many years. How many zeros? 860 crores. Prabhupada writes, I'll just take this line, then we'll have. Our only purpose is to present this Bhagavad Gita as it is in order to guide the conditioned student to the same purpose for which Krishna descends to this planet. So you understood? Prabhupada says, I write this Bhagavad Gita only for one purpose, and that one purpose is to do what? For fulfilling the purpose for which Krishna appears once in a day of Brahma. And one day of Brahma is how many years? 860 crore years is one day of Brahma. Conditioned, Prabhupada is written conditioned student. We are conditioned by material nature, are we not? We are conditioned by our thoughts today. Have you ever given a chance to spiritual life in your life till to date? We have not. Most of the people have not given a chance to spiritual life till to date. They have only taken to the conditioned life. Why I am saying conditioned? You may say that this spiritual life is also conditioning. But I will prove to you that the spiritual life is not conditioning, it is deconditioning. Not explain too much, but simple example. We will deal with this more elaborately when we are doing the introduction aspect. I have explained this many a times that you are not this body, you are the soul. Understood? You are not this body, you are the soul. Simple example, my body. My kartal means I am not this kartal. This is my kartal. That means I am different than the kartal. So when I say my body, that means I am different than the body. Simple. Now I am the soul. Now today I am conditioned by the fact that I am not the soul, I am the body. Understood? Conditioning means what you are not. Conditioning means what? What you are not. Conditioning का मतलब होता है जो आप नहीं हैं. Sometimes your parents will tell you, have been conditioned by your friends of thinking like this. Right or wrong? You are actually not like this. But by keeping the company of such people, you have been conditioned to think like this. Right or wrong? You also sometimes think, 5 years back I was not like this. Today I have changed. I have been conditioned into thinking like this. That means actually you are not. So when you come to the spiritual platform, that means you know that I am the soul, not this body. That means you have been deconditioned. And now you are in your original position. You are in your original position. So today we are both. We are conditioned students. We think we are the body, but we are ready to understand spiritual knowledge. We are still not come onto the platform where we understand that I am this soul, not this body. We are still conditioned. Remember one thing. We are still, you go out of here and you start acting on the bodily platform. Right or wrong? When you are here, you are thinking of spirit, you are thinking of Krishna, you are thinking of soul. But the moment you go from here, you start thinking soul as the sole of your shoes. You use your soul, na? What do? You use your soul. You keep it under your feet. In the same way, the real soul also you keep it under your feet. You use it only for your body. So you make SOUL into SOLE. But pronunciation is the same. Soul. So we are still conditioned, but we are coming here to become student. So Prabhupada says, our Bhagavad Gita is in order to guide the conditioned soul to the same purpose for which Lord Krishna appeared 5,000 years back and once in a day of Brahma. That is in 860 crore years. So you understood? At this juncture we are conditioned because we are thinking we are the body, because then though you are not body. A person who is mentally ill is actually conditioned. What do you say? A person who is mentally ill means he is mental. Any specific word for pagal? Mad. Mad person cannot understand who he is. He has forgotten himself. So he is conditioned. Today we are also mad because we are conditioned that we are this body, not the soul. But we have agreed to understand that now we have understood that this is my body. So I am not this body, I am the soul. So you have become a student to understand that why does God come on this earth? For what purpose does God come? When you go to school, what do? You align yourself with the purpose of the teacher, right or wrong? Teacher wants to teach you, you want to be taught. So God comes to this world to teach us, and we should align ourselves with what He wants to teach us. So that is what Prabhupada is writing, that Bhagavad Gita as it is basically to attune us to what Krishna comes on this earth, this planet. So that we may not be working at cross purposes. We will not be working with the Creator. Try to understand. Today we are working at cross purposes with the